Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? Do hope you all are doing amazing. So today's video I will be unboxing my coffee machine, my mini coffee machine. So let me unbox it with you guys. This is Dolce Gusto. This is my first time of using this. I actually love it because I saw it in one of my friend's house. I was like, oh, I will get this machine. So this is my first time of using it in my house. So I'm going to be unboxing it with you all. So let's get into the video. Okay, take off. My lights. Take this off. Okay. Hope you all can see it. Okay, I guess this is. So this is the machine. Wow, it's so beautiful. Let me adjust my tripod. I love the color. Color is so beautiful. I hope you guys can see it very well. This is the water tank, and this is the coffee I'll be using that goes with this particular machine. You can see it's the same mark, Dolce Gusto is the same mark, and this one too is the same too. This one is Capi according to French. Why this one is cappuccino? My favorite is cappuccino. Okay. Guess this will be here. Yeah. I'm just loving the machine. Meaning, this is the cafe. This is the cappuccino. Okay. Then, this is the water tank. So small. Unlike this one. Unlike this one, let me finish with this. This one, I have this before. The water tank is so big. You can see the water tank is very, very big. This one is a very good marker as well, monoless. But I love this because of the kind of cafe, you know, it does. This one is much sexier and You can put it here, or depend on the kind of cup, the quantity you want. If it's a bit bigger cup, you put it down. Smaller cup, you put it here. You know, but me, I love my coffee big, so I'll be putting it in the second one. Yeah, so that's it. So I'll be going ahead to rinse this. I have to wash this before adding my water, then before making my cappuccino. 1 minute, guys, I have to wash it. So I just wash it nice and clean. Place it back. Okay, it's time for me to make my cappuccino. So right now I will be adding water. I add my cappuccino. I add inside. Fix it in. Already I took out the filter. I don't actually need it for now. Then I have to put my cup. Yeah. This is the cup because I love my coffee big. Okay, so I have to plug it. What I love most about this machine is the color. This is my favorite color when it comes to kitchen. Gray and black. Yeah, I love it so much. So it's on. I take it down. I want it more. So it's on already. So it will take some time before it comes up. I got this beautiful machine for €105 in France, Carrefour. If you live in France, you will know a supermarket called Carrefour. That is where I got my mini coffee machine. So I want to make this one, finish the first one. Let me try this one out. This is Cafe au lait. So that's the end of this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Let me enjoy my coffee. See you all in my next one. Bye guys.